Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn how to endorse to the other people, like whatever the connections which you have in the LinkedIn. So to those people, how you can endorse uh, the skills of them. Like endorsing means you are giving the proof that he has that skill. So what is the meaning of endorse? Like you are like proving that he has that skill, he or she has that skill. So he has that certification, he has that. So I am the proof that he has the skill in him. So we are telling that in the way of while endorsing in the LinkedIn. So how can we endorse it? So this is my LinkedIn page. Uh, Click on the B button and click on the view profile. So this is my profile. So there you can see home, network, jobs, messaging, notification, and something like that. So come down. So will be the experience, education, and here you will be having. So I have newly added the YouTube video creation and prompt engineering. So these are the skills I possess. So someone has to endorse these skills. So I have to request, I have to like my connections, like whatever the connection which I have in the LinkedIn, I have to connect with them and I have to ask, I have to message them that please endorse that I have these skills. So how can I endorse, like how can I ask? By sharing my YouTube link to them and they can see whether I'm doing the YouTube videos or not, and they will see, they will check and they will endorse me, like prompt engineering also. So how can you endorse them? So like you have to go to the network, my network. So you will be having connections, so many connections. So here you will be having so many profiles. So here experience, education, projects. So here skills are there, right? Here skills are there. So configuration management. So I know him. So that's why like I know he has that skill. So that's why I'm endorsing. So I'm endorsing him. So and bug tracking. So I know he has that ability to track bugs in the code. So that's why I'm endorsing. So this is how we can endorse their skills in the LinkedIn. So likewise, I have to ask him. So message him that. So we have to write here, please endorse my skills. So we have to send message like this. Then this person will come to us and he will endorse my skills. So this is how we can endorse other skills. Like you're telling that he has that skills. So I'm endorsing him that he has that skills. So this is how we can endorse in the LinkedIn. I hope you understand how to endorse. Like you understand what is meaning of endorse and how we can endorse in the LinkedIn. So that's it, friends. It's a simple video about endorsing in LinkedIn. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I post the videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.